Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video I'm going to review the newly launched Nykaa Blend Pro makeup brushes, and I've got 8 brushes with me, so I'll be reviewing each one of the brushes. So let's continue. First of all, I would like to say that packaging of these brushes is very good, and they have got a rose gold packaging and the bristles feel absolutely sturdy. The first one is the powder brush, and this is a very fluffy brush and it is very good for powder application all over the face, and this is a very versatile brush to use. Next we have a contour brush, and this works very well with cream products, powder products, and I really love the shape of this contour brush. Next we have a blush brush, and this is very useful in applying blush onto the face. This can also be used to apply powder onto the face. The next brush that we have is the stippling brush, and this can be used in a lot of ways, which I'll show you in the video. Next we have a highlighting fan brush, and this is very good for highlighting purpose. Next we have a concealer brush, and this is a very good brush because it gives the precise application, especially near the under eye area, and this is a very good brush. Next we have angular eyeshadow brush, and this is very useful in applying precise eyeshadows on the upper and lower lash line. Next we have an eyeshadow brush which works very well in blending the eyeshadows, and this is a good quality eyeshadow brush. First I'll be applying the foundation all over my face using the stippling brush, and I really like this brush because it is very soft and fluffy, and these brushes feel very lightweight, and it's very easy to hold these brushes into the hand, and they give a very smooth application. There's no streakiness or patchiness onto the face when you apply the foundation using this stippling brush. This stippling brush can be used to applying foundation, concealer, and you can even apply blush using this stippling brush. I think this is a multi-purpose brush, and the finish that you get is absolutely smooth and even. This is my face after applying the foundation with the stippling brush. Next we have the concealer brush, and this is a very good densely compact brush, and it is very helpful in applying the concealer all over the areas where you need to conceal. And this is a very good concealer brush, and it is very helpful in applying the concealer especially under the eyes, and this works very well in blending the concealer. This is a very good quality concealer brush. Next we have the contour brush, and this brush easily helped in blending the cream contour product that I had applied on my face, and this worked very well in blending the cream contour onto my face, and I really like this brush. This brush was also very dense, and it was very soft and fluffy, and it easily helped in applying the contour product. You can always pinch this brush and use it to contour your nose. Next we have the powder brush, and this is a very big fluffy brush, and it picks just the right amount of powder. You can easily use it to powder all over your face and neck area. Next we have the blush brush. I was slightly disappointed with this blush brush because I thought that it was not as densely packed. The bristles were not as densely packed as I would have loved it. Nevertheless, it did its job very well, and it was very easy to apply blush using this brush. What I really like about this brush is the rose gold packaging. I think it looks very beautiful. Next we have the highlighting fan brush, and I'm going to highlight my face using the highlighter. It is very useful in applying the highlight onto the high points of the face. Next I'll be using the eyeshadow brush. I think this was a very good quality eyeshadow brush. It picked just the right amount of eyeshadow, and it was very easy to blend the eyeshadow onto the crease area, and it gave a very smooth application. It helped in blending the eyeshadow onto the eyelid area and the crease area very well. I really like the eyeshadow brush amongst all the brushes that we received. Next, I have the angular eyeshadow brush, and I use this brush to apply the eyeshadow onto my lower lash line, and it worked pretty well in applying the eyeshadow onto my lower lash line area. And this is also a very good quality angular brush. This can also be used to fill the eyebrows, and you can also use it to apply eyeshadow onto the upper lash line. This is a complete makeup using all the Nykaa Blend Pro makeup brushes. So that's my review of the Nykaa Blend Pro makeup brushes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.